Welcome to our website. Today, we present to you the 5-in-1 metal construction kit from Tronico. The built-in set currently costs 14.99 euros. With the 5-in-1 metal construction kit from Tronico, children 8 years and older can create 5 different construction vehicles. These include an excavator, a dump truck, a crawler excavator, a crane truck, and a tractor. Included are 243 parts, including of course all accessories and child-friendly tools. This metal built-in set belongs to the starter series and is compatible with other built-in sets with the same design. All parts are made of high-quality metal or BPA-free plastic. There are not only 5 different buildable construction vehicles, as they are in the instructions. Children can assemble the numerous parts completely freely into fantasy structures. This promotes motor skills and creativity in children and is a lot of fun. The listing of individual parts in the instructions is somewhat less fun. It is printed rather small. Otherwise, the instructions are very child-friendly, colorful, appealing pictures, without any text at all. This makes the building a fun experience even for children with reading difficulties. With the 5 construction vehicles provided, the set allows for 2 full hours of fun building. Your own creations increase this time even further, of course. Also strong, Tronico offers a free spare parts service for the first 24 months after purchase. The 5-in-1 metal built-in set from Tronico is a multi-built-in set that offers lasting great fun for children aged 8 and up. We recommend it without reservation.